The AugmentedArc welding helmet is equipped with two high-resolution micro cameras used to create the augmented reality and LED lights to capture and maintain a stable light environment. The interaction between the AugmentedArc accessories and the real environment are viewed through a display screen on the AR helmet to create real-time simulations. To enhance the simulation, the helmet is equipped with speakers to recreate the sounds emitted during the welding processes. Visibility of the display screen can be improved by installing an optional magnifying lens. To install, insert the magnifying lens into the recessed side of the magnifying lens holder. With the recessed side of the magnifying lens holder facing down, place the magnifying lens holder on the helmet lens assembly. Magnets in the magnifying lens holder will secure it in place. To better customize the fit of the AR helmet, there are 4 different adjustments to make. Adjust the top straps to ensure correct balance and stability. Start by removing the top pad. Release the inserted tab and slide straps into desired position. Replace the top pad. Seven slots on the right side of the headband provide adjustment for the forward tilt of the helmet. To adjust, lift and reposition the control arm to the desired position. To adjust the distance between face to the lens, press the black tabs on the top and bottom of the pivot point and use the other hand to slide headgear. On the back of the headgear, turn the adjustment knob clockwise to tighten or counterclockwise to loosen the headgear. For more information on AugmentedArc, visit MillerWelds.com.